Wipe your tears, take a breath. Lay your
Today,
head
as you
on
renew
my
your
chest.
vows, Pastor Bay
Let me hold
and
you
Sister
through
Ben,
the night.
we celebrate not only your past,
Yeah, the world
but also the
can bring us
continued
down,
journey ahead.
but I still believe somehow
May
it's
your
all
love
gonna
continue to
be
reflect the
alright.
goodness and the glory
Come
of
what
God.
may,
First of all,
the highs, the lows.
I'd like to acknowledge God's goodness
Well, this
of
life
our
will
Lord
be
in our
hard,
marriage.
but you and me
He's
won't.
the foundations of the union together.
When the
He taught
waters
me to be
rise and we face
selfless.
the fire, we'll rest
It's
in
not
our
me anymore,
foundation.
but
Hand in
Him
hand
who
on our
orchestrated
knees,
everything,
nothing between
whether in
us.
prosperity
You, me, and
and
Jesus.
affliction of our journey as one flesh.
Oh, we'll have a few fights. Who's wrong and who's right? But I want you to know, at the end of the day, I'm always here to stay. No, you'll never be alone. Come what may, the highs, the lows. Well, this life will be hard, but you and me won't.
A good marriage founded that Christ be the center of all. May Christ be the center of all. Glory and honor to Him alone.
From the moment I met you, my life changed in ways I never imagined. You have changed since then. I have changed. And the world around us has changed most of all. But one thing has not changed. 50 years ago, I promised to love you, to give of my best to you, to cherish and keep you no matter what else
In
happens.
our foundation, hand in hand on our knees, nothing between us. 'Cause in the end, even death could only lead us to you, me, and Jesus.
Yeah, I remember nag-propose ako dito kay Benny way back June 15, 1974. And I asked her to be my wife through letter kasi ano kami, long distance relationship.
Looks
good.
Place I know will
Here,
last.
I'll get it. I'll get it. You look so handsome. I'm happy that when I'm your age, I will still have my hair. Merong buhok ko. Looks good. Guwapo ng guwapo ang daddy ko. Guwapo.
To me, be mine for a lifetime.
The Lord is in between us. No? Naniniwala kami na ang Lord is the one that put us together. No?
For Bayani, he's still the same. He is a good provider and very romantic person. Of his personality, he's a very kind person, a man of God.
When I first met you, coming from Guam, vacationing to the Philippines, I really don't want to say when I went face to face with you, especially when I saw you wore your red short. I remember that. I realized that you were a person I wanted to spend the rest of my life with.
For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine.
You see me for who I am, and you love me despite my flaws. But because of them, I promise to always strive to be the best version of myself. Not just for me, but for Christ as the center of our relationship, and for you and for all of us.
And here we are.
I still promised to love you, honor you, cherish, and keep you. I continue to want you, for better or for worse, for richer or poorer. Whatever the future may hold for us, we will always have our love. It is enough.
Forever, for a lifetime.